Hey everyone, it's Dustin here, and I'm so excited to be with you guys today to do our first taste testing at home. This is going to be a really simple, fun recipe. I'm going to be making apple wraps today for you guys. So for this very simple recipe, you're going to need 2 bananas, an apple, some peanut butter, some whole wheat tortillas, about 2 of these, a small bowl, a red knife, just kidding, doesn't have to be red, but I love some color. And lastly, if you're like me and you can't find your cutting board, a paper plate. So I have already washed all my produce, and I'm going to now go wash my hands for 20 seconds and get the show on the road, you guys. Okay, so now I'm going to chop my apple. So I like to put my hands on the apple like so, with the knuckle out, and put the rest of the knife kind of on the blade of your knuckle. And this is just a really easy way so that you don't end up cutting yourself, because your finger is never coming into contact with the actual blade of the knife. So, like so. And then I'm just constantly moving my fingers back so that I cannot end up cutting myself. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is just peel our bananas and then break them up. As you see, I have already peeled my banana, so I'm just gonna take my finger and I'm just gonna break those up into little pieces. And this is okay because we're gonna mash these bananas in a second with our peanut butter and make kind of like the filling for those wraps. So then I'm gonna take my peanut butter, it's about 2 tablespoons here, I've already portioned it out, and I'm just gonna put this in there. And then I'm going to take my spoon and mash it all together. So something you can also do if you don't want to do the tortilla, you can also just put it into a cup. So I have the banana and peanut butter mixture here. I'm going to take some of those apples and just sprinkle it on top there and give that a stir. Yummy. And then there you have it. It's really good because you get the peanut butter, the banana, and the apple also just kicks in. So it's like a party in your mouth going on. Okay, so as you can see, I'm still mashing the mixture here. So we're just gonna mash and mash. It smells phenomenal. I love bananas and peanut butter together. I love peanut butter on almost anything. Toast, on apples, celery. I mean, the sky is literally the limit when it comes to peanut butter. You can put it in your smoothie. You can make like a simple smoothie. Yum. Another ingredient that I really, really like to add to smoothies is cinnamon. Oh, it just gives it that, it just tastes like home. You know what I mean? Okay, so this is mashed to a consistency I think that I like. Now, and you can do it to your desired consistency. If you want it like it's really smooth, you can do that. If you like it chunky, you can do that as well. I'm more of a chunky person. I like a little bit of texture in there. So I think mine is the way that I like it, as you can see. Yeah. So I'm going to place these on half of my tortilla and then sprinkle the apples on top. So once you have that spread across there, like so, I'm going to take our apples and just put them across our wrap, like so. So once you have that all done, then you're just gonna take your wrap and just fold her. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope that you enjoyed this as much as I liked making this video. And please tune in next week where Dasia will be making another awesome, easy recipe. Thank you so much. See you soon.